Hey, it's Josh with Earnest Roots. Today on this video, we'll be talking about these Houdinis behind me. They just kept escaping. We tried to put them in the netting. We chased them all around the place here. So we got them back in the pen. They've been here for about, I think, 2 days or so. And we are coming up with another solution for these guys, because this shelter's got to be used by the chickens in like 2 weeks, or really less than that. We are building a mobile sheep pen, and we got this idea from the Justin Rhodes show. A guy on there from the Holler Homestead, he built one for them, and we have watched all the videos about that build and the videos the improvements of that build, and videos from other farms with different variations of a mobile sheep pen. So we've got the material bought, and we're about to start the welding process. It's going to be a 16 by 16 movable sheep pen. It's going to be, I think it's going to be a game changer. It's going to be versatile. We can put the sheep in there, put them anywhere. They'll be protected from predators, can't escape. It's mobile, a big thing. And if we have bottle calves again, we can put bottle calves in it. We can quarantine pen, just whatever. It's gonna have a lot of different uses. So pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna be a new tool that we'll be using pretty regularly, maybe multiple of them. So stay tuned to the video and check it out. So behind me here, we got Mobile Sheep Tractor 1.0 finally completed. It's been about 7 days of building it, 8 to 10 hours of fabbing up. A lot of welding, drilling holes, getting burnt, cutting. Been a very interesting build. I really think we're gonna build a second one of these because these things move very easily. I'll show that in a little bit. I think we might be the first farm in Alabama with one of these contraptions, because I watched tons of videos. Nobody I saw had one in our state, so we broke the ice. I'll put the materials in the description below. If you're interested in trying to build one of these, you'll have it there. So stay tuned in the video. We'll show the clips of the building process, just little snips. And then the next step is painting this thing and getting the sheep in it. So hopefully that'll be in the next 2 or 3 days. So yeah, stay tuned in the video. Check it out. So you just saw how easily this thing is to move by pushing it. But I plan on pulling it with a rope. I gotta get a long rope with 2 carabiners to hook on each corner and pull it forward instead of pushing it. But it's working great. You can see the sheep in there grazing. Got the shade fabric up. Now I'm about to walk through and show you some of the details of it. So the wheels, got 8 of them, and brace it up the best I could. They're not straight, but it does the job. I got it where got this 4-inch flat plate. You drilled holes in it where we can take the tires off if we needed to. So see how that works. Got this latch right here. Open it up with a lock down there, just for security measures so they don't bust out. Got this feed bin over here. Serves 2 purposes. It fits in the corner. You put their hay in there and their sunflower meal. So it serves two purposes there. Plan on doing is getting another barrel and mounting it to the corner over there, and that'll be for their mineral, their salt. And their waterer right now is in the corner, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to mount that to the pen. So everything will be mounted to the pen and moved, so it's not on the ground and have to deal with it, have to get in here with them, stress them out. And so pretty excited about this thing. It's a game changer for sure. I will put the list of materials in the description below if anybody's interested in trying to build one of these things. We will be building another one. I just don't know when. But yeah, pretty excited about this. It's gonna be a tool we use for multiple different things. The sheep could be bottle pen for calves, bottle sheep, quarantine pen. I might even put a cow in here. I don't know, endless possibilities with this thing. Hope you like what you see. Subscribe on YouTube, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and go to the online store, check out what we got there. Take care.